nono machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. E sama ng'anyo mar Lakteche kawuono go tache kaunti ma Kakamega, gavana ma kaunti no Fernandes Baraza okwayo Lakteche go mondo dogi e tich. Baraza ma bende en jakom mar kamati mar omenda e riwruog Governors onyiso Lakteche ni mondo par singo margi mar reso ngima jotuo. Bende obwogo mar kawo okang' ne Lakteche e kaunti no ma ok dhi doki e tich kawuono.
The status in Kakamega, as at now, we have a few services which have been interrupted with because of the ongoing strike by the doctors. And one of the services has been the surgical services which have been interrupted with. The doctors must put the lives of our patients first. They resume as we deal with their issues. Issues of delayed salary, some of them are already being addressed. They are no longer issues as at last month. And therefore, as the governor of this county, I want to ask all the striking doctors that tomorrow by 8 a.m., I want all of you to resume your duties. And any doctor who will not be at their workstation by 8 a.m., we shall not have any excuse other than releasing them. We are ready to employ other doctors.
Jakom mar riwruok mar